Hello everyone, in this video we will see that how to make some easy and cute drawings. So first we are starting with the cartoon. First we are drawing the face of this cartoon followed by the cute ears with some bows, and then we will proceed towards its body. After the body is made, we will add a little basket filled with flowers, and then you can color it as per your choice, and it's done. Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are making a cute female dog wearing cute accessories like bow and necklace. First we're gonna draw the face of this dog, and then we will proceed towards the body. After that we will add some accessories like necklace, bow and other, and then we will color it. You can color it as per you want. Here we are using pink marker. Next we move ahead. Here we are making a scarecrow. Starting with the hat of the scarecrow, we will proceed towards the face. Then we will make eyes and a mouth. Then we will proceed towards the body. Here we are making a t-shirt, and then we will gonna make the hands of the scarecrow wooden of woods obviously. After that, beside the scarecrow, we are making a cute sparrow on it, and then we are completing the scarecrow by the ending part, and you can see it is done. After that, you can color it as per you want. Next we are moving ahead. Here we are making a lion. For the lion we are starting with the face and then adding hair to all over the face. After that we are gonna make the eyes and nose and shading it with black marker. After that, in the end, we are gonna draw the mouth of this lion. Then we will proceed towards the body of this lion. As you can see, we are making 4 legs of this lion, and it's done. Now add a long tail to it to complete its beauty. Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are making an elephant. For that, starting with the face of the elephant and the long trunk. After that, we are making eyes of this elephant and then long ears. Ears are done. We're gonna proceed towards the body. Here we are making legs, and then you can see it's done. Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are making a drawing of a cute cupcake. For that, we are starting with the base of the cupcake, and then we're gonna draw some more food items on it like strawberries and many more. You can add more details to it if you can want. After that, you can color it as per you want. Here we are using black marker for this drawing, but you can use anything. Now it's done. Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are making a dinosaur. For that, starting with the face of the dinosaur, we will proceed towards its body. Then we are making the legs and the long tail. Then we are making the hands of this dinosaur and detailing the body a little bit. Then we are gonna draw the eyes, nose and long teeth. And you can see your dinosaur is done. Now you can color it as per you want. And it's done.